Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a traditional origami crane. This is probably one of the first things people think about when they think about origami. So without further ado, let's get started. You'll need a square piece of paper. If it has different colors on the two sides, put the color you want the crane to be at the top. Start by folding the top right corner diagonally down to the left, making a triangle. Unfold and make a symmetrical fold from the top left corner. Flip it over and fold the top edge to the bottom. Unfold and fold the right edge over to the left. Now tilt the paper 45 degrees and pick it up by the two horizontal creases. Press it down and you should have a diamond shape 1/4 the size of the original. Make sure the openable part is at the bottom. Fold the right edge to the center, lining up the bottom right edge to the center line. Do the same on the other side. Flip it over and make matching folds on the back. Fold the top down, making a crease for where the folded edges are. Unfold back to the previous diamond shape. Lift up the flap and fold the top to where the crease was. Press the left and right side in so that they meet in the center, making it look like a mini croissant. Do the same on the other side. Make sure the unattached part is at the bottom and fold the right bottom edge to the center line. Do the same with the left bottom edge. Turn it around and make matching folds on the other side. You're almost done! Combine the top two flaps and the bottom two flaps. Fold the bottom point up to the top. Do so again on the other side. Put the flaps back to how they were. And fold them down on both sides to make the wings. For the 2 points in the middle, one will be the head and one will be the tail. Press the head flap down and reinforce the fold. Now tilt the head and tail at an angle and reinforce at the bottom. You can pull on the wings gently to open the crane up a bit. And there you go, a traditional origami crane. Thank you for watching, and if you want to watch more, here is my latest video. See ya!